Quit? That's gloves.
Megan, what'd you do?
That's a video camera.
What'd you do?
Big ice cream. Wow.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Mitchell, hey,
Tell your mom how you made the ice cream.
Mitchell, show me how to do it.
That's it. That's it.
Oh! Hey, it's Memorial Day, isn't it?
Megan.
Here we go. Now we should put one. Let's put. Where's the big one? Okay, then give Mitchell another one. Okay, we'll put this one right here.
Don't let him touch the ground.
Okay. Now let's go out to the planter. Okay.
Mitchell, come on. Let's go.
Okay, let's put one. Put one in here.
And one in here.
Okay, well here, how about, that's kind of all by itself. Let's put it right here by the front door. Does that look nice?
Now we need more flags.
That's it. That's all I got.
Well, what about that flag?
That's from the city. It's pretty neat, huh? See, they're putting them up. See over here across the street? See, they're putting them up over there. They look really nice, huh? See? Pretty neat, huh?
But one is in the street.
Well, it's almost in the street. It's really on the parkway.
But how can it stick?
Mitch, you want some cereal?
Another one.
There's another one. Look at the truck here. Look. See, they're putting the flags out. See? Pretty neat, huh?
No more.
Gee, how about cereal?
You want some cereal?